These troglobites from Thailand are possibly the most specialized creatures on Earth, for they live only in cave waterfalls. The entire population of these cave angelfish seems to be restricted to just 2 small caves. It's the same story with other troglobites. There may well be less than 100 Texas cave salamanders in the wild. And the Belizean white crab is another creature that is unique to just one cave system.